Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you today. I hope you're doing well and safe and all those good things. Today we are looking at the Barbie Pur collection, and this is the second collection that Barbie and Pur have done together. I got the one last year. I got the highlight and the palette, and we will check these out today and do some swatches and a look and see what we think. It is beautiful packaging, and the colors are great fall transition summer colors. I mean, you can really use them all year round, but with these like pumpkin-y oranges and stuff, I really feel like that makes it feel more fall. And let's do some swatchy swatches. This is a little tiny one. And that is about the same color as my flesh. And so we see that first color right there. And there's colors that are listed on the back of the box, but I don't really care about the names. I just care about how they perform. How do you perform, eyeshadows? Please tell me. And this is from another small color. And that is swatching really nicely, and that's a really pretty little shimmer. Let's get back into it. So we're gonna go there, 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 and there. That's pretty. I really think that's a very pretty color. And then we have 3 left. Very, very pretty, very shimmery. It's beauteous. And let's swatch the highlighter palette as well. Well, we're swatching. And I think the highlighter is going to be a little too dark for me because I'm pretty fair. And this is like very gold and pink. So there's the pink, there's the gold. And that pink could be used as a blush, but that's really just too dark for my complexion. But it's very pretty and it's very softly pressed, so that will be going back to Ulta. I did get these from Ulta a little early because they were available to me early because I am a diamond member. I'm a diamond member at Ulta, darling. Watch out. Let me flash my bling, bling, bling. My blingity bling, bling. So let's just do a pretty look. Since that highlighter's not gonna work, let's do something pretty with this. Let's see, it's all reflective. Shows you all my equipment. Ooh, ring light. So let's do something pretty. I'm going to start in my crease with, I think there's so many colors to choose from. I think I'm going to start with this color here. Maybe I'll save that for another brow. I'm going to start with this pink here in the middle. And that is shimmery. Just setting a little stage. All these colors should go nicely together. And I don't mind a shimmer in the crease. It's a very nice way to start. And as you can see, I've got my entire face ready. I've got everything done. Ooh, even the highlighter I've got. That highlighter that you see is Opal from Becca. Beauteous. Let's get into some colors. I'm really wanting to, I'm very comfortable with going the pink and mauve route. I think I'm going to try going the orange and brown route. So I'm going to take this color orange here and put it on my outside crease. You can hear my landlord's dog. Ooh, that's bright. But it's okay. We're allowed to have bright eyeshadow. There's no laws against it so far. They can take my eyeshadow from my cold, dead hands. That's what I have to say about it. So that is super bright. Let's bring it down some with this orange shimmer. Everything is pressed super soft, and that's adding a nice vibrancy to that orange on the outside. Let's go a little darker with this pumpkin color. And we're gonna need to get some browns up in here. This looks really weird with my lavender shirt. Let's go here for the shimmery. I'm gonna put that on the lid. Oh, that's pretty. Super pretty. Let's go into this like burnt sienna color. And put that into the crease a little. And let's clean the brush off and go into this darker brown. That's looking good. Well, that's a nice chocolate brown color. Oh, it's so pretty. Let's see. Let's get a blending brush and blend all this together. And this is a very nice fall palette. I didn't wear the right shirt for it, but that's okay. You can always change your shirt. Ruby, what's up, little girl? She's in here making the sweet noises. And I'm gonna go under the brow with this first light beige color. And I'm gonna go in with this little fluffy Sigma brush, which is a blending brush. It's a little darker than I think I wanted, but it works for the look. I think I'm gonna go into this deepest brown with that blending brush. Yeah, that's helping. There's about a ton of colors I've used to get this look. And the colors look good. The pigment is there. I think that it is a beautiful look. I think it's a beautiful palette. And I think that it looks great for a fall palette. And it's super pigmented, unlike a lot of Pur things. I've never been disappointed with the Barbie Pur collections. And let's put some eyeliner on and get this look finished. Let's get the Ciate eyeliner open. Let me get my scissors. I want a new eyeliner. I got this from a box. I'm sure it was like BoxyCharm or Ipsy or one of those bad boys, because that's where I get a lot of black eyeliners from. Should have opened it beforehand, but we are live, flying by the seat of our pants, which happen to be Halloween pants. And let's give this eyeliner a go. Ooh, super, super dark black. Nice precise tip. Oh, I got somebody here to see us. It's the Ruby. She was playing with my pants. Look at her. She's getting so big. Hi, Ruby. She says, look at them lights. Look at my mama. My eyeshadow matches my kitty cat. Mwah, you're a good girl. You're a good kitty cat. I'm really happy with that eyeliner. I'm going to use some lash primer to do my mascara. And this is the Milk Kush Lash Primer. It really makes a big difference, because my lashes on one eye are great, and on my left eye they're not as good. She's right here. She's right here, getting in the middle of everything. You little cutie patootie. Let's try this new Keep Your Curl Elf mascara. Girl, you can't be up here. That's how terrible accident makeups occur. And this is supposed to be one of the Andrea, I can't remember her last name, starts with a B. She is an influencer that I watch on YouTube. And she said she really loved this for curling mascara, so she didn't have to use eyelash curlers. And it seems to be doing a pretty good job. And it was $5. I'm all about trying some $5 mascara. And it had okay stars. It didn't have like 4 stars or anything. But it does seem to be doing the job and curling my lashes, and they show up, so that's cool. And that is the look for today from the Barbie Pur palette. I hope you have a great day, or day of your choice. And Ruby says, hello, I love you. Won't you tell me your name? Have a great day. See you soon. Bye, chickens. You're a little tiny delightful chicken, and that is a compliment to me.